Investmint app pricing explained what you get for your money. Investmint is a user-friendly investment app that helps individuals build and manage diversified portfolios. Most people assume investing apps are expensive or full of hidden fees, but Investmint provides transparent, predictable pricing. The app charges a flat annual management fee of 0.50% on your portfolio, which covers automated portfolio rebalancing, tax optimization, and access to its and other assets. There are no fees for deposits, withdrawals, or account transfers. Investors can also access performance tracking, educational content, and goal-setting tools at no additional cost. Investmint also offers a free demo account for new users to explore the platform risk-free. The surprising truth is that even small portfolios can benefit from automated investing strategies, helping users grow their wealth efficiently without paying for traditional financial advisors. In conclusion, Investmint pricing is simple, transparent, and value-driven. By understanding the management fee and included services, you know exactly what you're paying for while gaining professional-grade investment tools at an accessible cost.